Hi, Christopher.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Are you feeling fine?
Yes, Miss.
That's good. Hang on a second. Let me call Katarina. Time to Zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Let's Zoom. Swing. Chris, how was your Monday?
Your Monday. That's good.
It was good. Did you get... Oh, we didn't have any rain today yet. Like,
What Miss?
we didn't have rain today, right?
Rain.
Uh-huh. It didn't rain today.
Yes.
Mm-mm. Like on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it rained from morning until evening, but now it didn't rain. Ooh, Chris, how was your home? Did it was it flooding when it
No,
was
Miss.
raining? No, it was fine.
Fine.
It was fine because many places in Surabaya got flooded by the rain. Hmm. So, oh yeah, just an information. Next session, you are going to have your mid-semester test, right? Mm-mm. So, mid-semester test for you. Next session, it means that today we're going to split the session into two. The first half is going to talk about chapter 3, continuation. And the last half, we're going to uh, have review of all lessons, chapter 1, 2, and 3. Okay, hang on a second. Oh, yeah, Chris, I'm going to ask you to fill in the TQQ. Please remind me. Nanti kalau Miss Teti lupa, kalau Katarina sudah di sini, tolong ingatkan Miss Teti. Kalian diminta untuk mengisi angket, oke? Okay? Survei, mengisi survei. So please remind me, where's Katarina by the way?
Mengisi apa, Miss?
Survei.
Survei.
Don't worry, it's about my teaching, it's not about you, and it's anonymous. Nggak pakai nama, jadi jangan khawatir nanti, nanti aku nilaiku jelek dikasih Mr. Tina. Nggak akan. Okay?
Okay.
Where is Katarina? Katarina, where are you? Wait. Where's the link? Okay. So, where were we? The last session, Chris, with chapter 3.
Wait, Miss.
Hmm.
I forgot. Wait. Sleep and dreams.
Sleep and dreams, but we have done lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and 4. So what lesson are we in now?
Lesson. Wait, Miss. Uh, lesson 8.
Lesson 8, no, not lesson 8.
Lesson 7. 7.
No.
Chapter 4, Miss.
Chapter 3. You're still in chapter 3, right?
Wait, Miss.
Mm-mm.
What Miss the question?
The question, what lesson are we in today?
Hmm.
No,
What Miss?
no idea. Oh, here. Have you done these questions? These questions? Why couldn't Alice go through the door? Check your student book, Chris.
Okay, Miss.
Page 40. Have you done it?
Finish, Miss.
Finish. You also wrote a story the last session, remember?
Oh,
So what lesson are we in now?
lesson 5.
Lesson 5. There you go. Okay. Now for lesson 5, we're going to talk about adjectives. Adjectives means kata sifat in English, in Indonesian, sorry. Now, there are two ways to make adjectives in English. Sometimes you use a verb plus ed. Sometimes you use a verb plus ing. For example, when you want to say aku bosan, how do you say that?
Awesome.
Mm-mm.
Boring.
This is the difference. This is the problem. Some learners will say I'm boring when it means aku membosankan. Boring means membosankan. But when you say aku bosan, it's not boring. It's the one using ed. I'm
I bored.
not bored. I'm bored.
I'm bored.
Why are you flashing your flashing the light? So this is what we're going to talk about using ed and using ing. Okay, because they mean different. Here, if you put it like this, I'm boring, and then I'm bored.
I'm bored. Aku membosankan.
What does it mean? Aku
I'm bored.
membosan.
I'm bored. Aku bosan.
Aku membosankan means
No, Miss.
what does it mean? Aku membosankan.
Membosankan.
Mem
Bored.
ya, aku membuat orang lain bosan. Right? Aku membosankan means aku membuat orang lain bosan. Right?
Right.
But when you say aku bosan, kita yang merasa bosan. Chris, the, the flash is so okay. So now I'm going to ask you something. When you see I'm going to ask you this one. When you see Live Shopee selling duster, is it boring or is it bored?
It's bored.
Ah, yang membosankan atau bosan?
Bosan. Bored.
Wait. I'm not asking about you. I'm asking about the Live Shopee. Live Shopee-nya membosankan atau Live Shopee-nya bosan?
Membosankan, Miss.
Membosankan. So, do you use bored or boring?
Boring.
So when I ask the question, Is the live Shopee boring or bored?
Boring.
It's boring. How about you? How do you feel? When you watch live Shopee Duster?
I'm bored.
I'm bored. There you go. So you need to know the difference between boring and bored. Okay. Now we know boring and bored, but there are other words using ut and ing. Take a look at your student book, Chris.
Okay, Miss.
We have this one and this one. Can you read it?
Yes. Disappointed. Disappointing.
Disappointed and disappointing. Got it. What does it mean by disappointed?
Miss.
Hey, Katarina, welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss.
We're talking about lesson 5, chapter 3. What does it mean by disappointed? I was asking Christopher. You can answer too, Katarina. What does it mean?
Kecewa, Miss.
Kecewa. Got it. How about disappointing? What does it mean?
Mengecewakan.
Mengecewakan. Thank you. Now, I have a question. If you lose in a game, do you feel disappointed or disappointing?
Disappointing.
If
Disappointed. Kecewa.
Aku merasa kecewa. I
feel disappointed.
disappointed. Got it. What if you get a gift that you don't like? For example, Katarina, Christopher, you get duster as your Christmas gift. How does you get duster as your Christmas gift? How does the gift feel for you?
Disappointing.
It's disappointing. There you go. So there are two ways to say it. I'm disappointed because the gift is disappointing. Aku kecewa karena hadiahnya mengecewakan. Hang on. While Katarina is here, I have to do this one. Okay, let's go to TQQ for a while. Katarina, can you turn on your video, please? Chris, enough with the light. Astaghfirullah. Okay. So TQQ is this one, Teaching Quality Questionnaire. I'm going to ask you to fill out this form. Saya akan minta kalian mengisi form ini. Don't worry, it's anonymous, tidak ada nama, jadi kalian tidak perlu takut untuk memberikan jawaban yang sebenar-benarnya. Okay? This is to evaluate my quality of teaching. Ini adalah evaluasi untuk Miss Teti. Kalau kalian diuji ada mid semester test Rabu depan, Miss Teti ujiannya ini. Oke. Tapi yang menguji adalah kalian. Tuh. Beda kan? So, it only takes about 10 minutes because there are only 8 questions. 4 questions will be about you. 4 pertanyaan tentang kalian, 4 pertanyaan tentang gurunya. Let's check the questions. Okay. Jadi nanti kalian akan dapat link ini. Please fill out this one. Okay. Cabang cuma 1. Nama guru pilih Miss Teti. Jangan lupa, jangan Miss Ria. Okay. Okay. Program is only 1, Gail. Levelnya, what level are you in now?
5B.
No way.
5A.
5A. 5A. You are in 5A. Okay. Jangan salah ngetik, jangan salah ngeklik nanti 5B. 5A. Okay. Now, 4 questions about you. Let's check the questions. Saya menyelesaikan latihan yang diberikan oleh guru saya di kelas. Kalau di kelas nih saat ini, kayak sekarang, kalau kalian Miss Teti minta mengerjakan misalnya, kerjakan kegiatan 2. Kalian selesaikan atau males, nanti-nanti aja. Nah, kalau kalian selalu menyelesaikan kegiatan kita di kelas, fill number 4. Check number 4. If you males aku nggak mau ngerjain yang disuruh Miss Tati, nggak mau no. Satu. Oke, jadi tergantung pilihan kalian mana yang kalian lakukan di kelas. Number 2, saya senang belajar secara sendiri dan berkelompok di kelas. Kalau Miss Tati kasih tugas perorangan merasa kesulitan atau enggak? Kalau dikasih tugas berkelompok merasa kesulitan apa enggak? Kalau enggak ada yang sulit di kelasnya Miss Teti, ya berarti 4. Kalau iya Miss, aku tuh kalau dikasih tugas sendiri pasti nggak bisa ngerjain karena aku nggak paham. 1. Oke. Saya bertanya kepada guru di kelas jika saya tidak memahami sesuatu. Kalau ada yang nggak tahu, kalian tanya nggak sama Miss Teti? Kalau iya, 4. Kalau takut bertanya, 1. Jangan tanya, nanti dimarahin lagi sama Miss Teti. Kalian nih ya, tanya-tanya melulu. I don't know, have I ever done that to you or not? Okay. Kalau Miss Teti tiap kali ditanya marah-marah, 1. Kalau selalu kalian nggak takut bertanya, mau bertanya, 4. Oke. Number 4, saya berlatih berbicara bahasa Inggris di luar kelas seperti di rumah atau dengan teman-teman saya. Nah, kalian kalau di sekolah malu nggak berbahasa Inggris sama teman-temannya? Kalau enggak, 4. Kalau masih malu-malu, 1. Atau mungkin setengah malu-malu, 2 atau 3. Oke. Tapi rasanya sini sih nggak ada yang malu-malu kalau ngomong bahasa Inggris. Now, the next question is about me, your teacher. 4 pertanyaan berikutnya adalah tentang Miss Teti. Guru saya menjelaskan pelajaran dengan cara yang mudah dipahami. Nah, tuh, terserah kalian. Kalau merasa Miss Teti tuh kalau nerangin aku tuh nggak paham, nggak mudeng sama pertanyaan sama pelajaran gitu. Ya 1. Tapi kalau kalian paham apa yang diajarkan, 4. Guru saya membuat pelajaran menjadi menyenangkan dan menarik. Nggak tahu. Nah, ini tergantung kalian. Suka-suka. Guru saya membantu saya jika saya tidak paham atau butuh latihan lebih dalam kelas. Kalau misalnya kalian nggak paham, Miss Tati marah-marahin. Atau ditanya, gimana Christopher bisa atau enggak? Katarina, how is it? Kalau ditanya, dibantu berarti 4. Kalau enggak, 1. Terakhir, guru saya memberi saya kesempatan untuk menunjukkan apa yang sudah saya pelajari di kelas. Setiap akhir kelas, kalian diminta menunjukkan enggak hari ini kita belajar apa. Misalnya dengan cara membuat kalimat, atau dengan cara membuat poster, atau dengan cara mempresentasikan sesuatu. Kalau kalian diberi kesempatan untuk menunjukkan apa yang kalian pelajari, dengan cara-cara tadi, membuat kalimat, membuat poster, presentasi, dan lain sebagainya, 4. Kalau tidak pernah, 1. Oke? Now, I'm going to share this link in the chat box. Silakan diklik di chat box. Jika nanti kalian sudah selesai, submit kan, terus keluar di layarnya, terima kasih sudah mengisi TQQ. Itu di screenshot, dikirim ke grup ya. Jadi nanti kalau sudah selesai, sudah submit, ada terima kasih telah berpartisipasi, kirim ke grup. Kalau ada pertanyaan, jangan ragu-ragu, tanyakan saja. Look, what's wrong, Chris?
Miss. Nah,
Bisa dibuka, Katarina? Can you open the form? Ya, Katarina.
level 5 akan Miss.
5A. Yep. Uh,
Udah, Miss.
Dan sudah submit, ada terima
Finish,
kasih telah
Miss.
kan ada layarnya tuh, terima kasih telah berpartisipasi. Take a screenshot and then send it to the group.
Okay, Miss.
Karena ini nanti yang memantau adalah Mr. Agus, the teacher coordinator. Okay.
Ah.
Siapa itu Mr. Agus? Mr. Agus is the teacher coordinator. Ada di grup kita juga. Coba kalian cari namanya pasti ketemu. Thank you. Christopher Samuel Jason Sihombo. Guys, how do you take screenshot in a laptop? Katarina Cheryl Situmorang. Done. Thank you. So guys, how do you take screenshot in a laptop? Kalau ngambil screenshot pakai laptop kalian selama ini gimana?
I don't know, Miss.
You don't know. How about your phone, Katarina? Katarina?
It's like
Volume and power?
oh yes, Miss.
Volume and power together. Click, like that. How about you, Chris?
I don't know, Miss.
Okay, so usually there's the print screen button there. Do you see a print screen button, Chris? Tulisannya biasanya PRTSC F12 biasanya. Do you have it, Christopher?
What, Miss?
There's a print screen button.
Green screen button.
PRTSCR biasanya tulisannya.
Oh, ada, Miss.
There you go. Tinggal klik itu. Coba sekarang tes kacang. Tekan tombol itu, lalu are you connected? Do you?
Tapi udah ditutup halamannya, Miss.
Oh, ya udah. Lain kali kalau screenshot di laptop begitu aja. Klik langsung. Terus ke WhatsApp, langsung Ctrl V. Udah kebaca semua. Okay, now we're back to this. We have disappointed, disappointing. You already told me the meaning. Bored and boring. You also told me the meaning. How about this? Frightened and frightening. What does it mean by frightened? I'm frightened. So, what does it mean by frightened? Anyone? Frightened?
Jelek.
Nope. Frightened.
Menakutkan.
Frightened. Is frightened menakutkan atau takut?
Takut.
Takut. So, if frightened is takut, frightening is
Menakutkan.
menakutkan. Got it. Now, please tell me one thing that you think is frightening. I hate to say this, but house lizards are frightening for me. House lizards are frightening for me. Cicak itu menakutkan buat Miss Teti. How about you guys? What do you find frightening?
Hmm.
Katarina, what do you find frightening? My sister, miss. My sister is frightening. Nah. So, what do you find frightening? Hal apa yang menakutkan untuk kalian?
Oh, wait.
Apa ya?
Monday.
Oh, really, Chris?
No.
Monday is frightening?
Yes, miss.
Go, please say it. Monday is frightening because
Monday is frightening
because
because miss. Hmm. What? We have a flag ceremony.
We have a flag ceremony and it's frightening. You have to
Oh, no,
stand
miss.
for 1 hour.
And school case.
Huh?
Uang kas.
A fridge?
Uang kas, miss.
Oh, uang kas. I heard kulkas. Uang. And we have to pay.
And we have to pay for
The class.
yes.
Got it. Okay. So Monday is frightening for Christopher. Ta-da! How about you, Katarina?
English lesson.
English lesson? Really?
Oh my God.
Katarina, what is frightening? Go. English lesson.
English lesson in Monday is frightening
Why?
because the teacher
Hmm?
is always mad
Me?
noise in school.
Oh, it's. I thought me. Ah, the teacher is always mad. Oh, is your teacher a woman or a man?
Woman miss.
A woman. What's her name?
Miss, may I go to the toilet?
Okay, go ahead, Chris.
What miss?
What's her name?
Learning. Learning about.
Ooh, what's her name?
Oh, learning. Frida miss.
Miss Frida. Ah, I see. There you go. So Miss Frida is always mad. I hope you still enjoy your English, even though the teacher is always mad on Monday. Is Christopher there? Not yet. The next part, we have interesting and interested. What does it mean by interesting?
Menakjubkan.
Almost.
Interesting. Interesting.
What is interesting? So, what is it?
Menarik.
Menarik. Got it. If interesting is menarik, what is interested?
Tertarik.
Tertarik. Got it. Now we're going to say something with these two. Aku tertarik dengan bla 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 karena itu menarik. For example, I'm interested in, at the moment, I'm interested in Risoles Mayo because it's interesting. Okay, so we're going to use both. I'm interested in Risoles Mayo because it's interesting. Go ahead. Apa yang membuat kalian tertarik?
What, Miss?
What makes you feel interested? Apa yang membuat kalian tertarik?
I feel interesting.
I feel interested or interesting?
Interesting.
Hmm.
I feel interested
Aku merasa tertarik with
with
Little Monster.
with with chocolate foundation. The fountain, it's like kayak coklat dari muncul gitu, Miss.
Because it's
interesting.
there you go. I'm interested in chocolate foundation because it's interesting. Chris, how about you?
I felt interested to Rizal Mayo.
There, that's me.
Oh, Rizal.
No, hey, don't take my Risoles Mayo.
Indomie.
Why not Manchester United?
Oh iya, piala. Pilihan yang sangat berat.
Go.
Indomie because it's interesting.
Oh, please don't say interesting. Interesting. There you go. Got it. I feel interested in Indomie because it's interesting. The last one, take a look at this pair. What does it mean by embarrassing and embarrassed? Embarrassing.
Memalukan.
Memalukan, embarrassing, and embarrassed.
Malu.
Malu. Got it. So if you take a look at this, usually the ones with ed is not me, tapi yang pakai ing biasanya dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti memalukan, mengecewakan, menakutkan, menarik. Okay, so this one is embarrassing and embarrassed. I'm going to ask you to choose one. You can use embarrassing or embarrassed in a sentence. I'm going to use throwing up in front of my family is embarrassing. Throwing up in front of my family is embarrassing. Muntah di depan keluarga itu memalukan. How about you? Up to you. You can use embarrassing or embarrassed.
I was embarrassed when Manchester United lost.
Wait, embarrassed or embarrassed?
Embarrassed.
Got it. I was embarrassed when Manchester United lost. Facepalm. Kalah lagi, kalah lagi. Thank you, Chris. That's a nice sentence. Katarina, how about you?
I feel embarrassing. Because
I feel embarrassing. Aku merasa memalukan.
I feel embarrassing because because I fell down in my class.
But wait, is it embarrassing or embarrassed? Merasa malu atau merasa memalukan?
Malu. Embarrassing.
Which one is it? Memalukan or malu?
Embarrassed, Miss.
Embarrassed. One more time. I feel embarrassed.
I feel embarrassed because I fell down
in my class. I fell down in my class. Kubrak! Katarina! But you are still lucky. This is the deal, guys. When you fell down and people laugh, it means that you're still young. When you fall down and people go like, it means that you are old. Kalau Miss Teti yang jatuh sekarang, orang nggak bakalan ketawa. Tapi bakalan, ada yang patah? Sakit? Hah? Pasti gitu. Sudah beda, karena dikira udah tua. Okay, so you're lucky when you fall and people still laugh. It means that you're still young. Now, before we read the conversation, let's try and fill this one out. The book is boring. I feel bored. I'm disappointed. The movie was
Disappointing.
disappointing. Thank you. Please fill that in your student book. Write it down. Disappointing. Yeah. Katarina hasn't gotten her book. disappointing. Done with disappointing?
Done, Miss.
Done. Okay. So we have this conversation. Who is not talking in this conversation? There are only 3 characters, right? So who is not talking? We have Yasmin, Scarlett, and Angelo. So who's missing?
No, Miss.
One character is not talking. Who's not talking? Check page. Welcome. Go to page welcome. Page 1 or 2. Find out his name. What's his name?
Wait, Miss.
Rufus.
Rufus. Got it. Rufus is not talking. Why is Rufus not talking?
Because
he slept.
Because
He slept.
he's sleeping. He slept. Okay, there you go. So this one is Rufus. And how does Hamish feel about Rufus?
Bored.
Wait, check this one out. You are so embarrassing. How does Hamish feel about Rufus? Hamish feels. Can you see the picture, guys? What does Hamish say? You're so
Embarrassing.
embarrassing. So how does Hamish feel about Rufus?
Embarrassing.
Yang memalukan siapa? Hamish atau Rufus?
Rufus.
Rufus. So how does Hamish feel about Rufus? Jadi perasaan Hamish tentang Rufus? He feels
Embarrassing.
Duh, dia merasa memalukan atau dia merasa malu?
Embarrassed.
He feels embarrassed. There you go. Okay, so we have 3 characters here, Yasmin, Scarlett, and Angelo. Who do you want to be?
Scarlett.
Scarlett. Christopher is Scarlett. How about you, Katarina?
What, Miss?
Who do you want to be? Christopher wants to be Scarlett. How about you?
Angelo.
Angelo. Okay. So Katarina will be Angelo. I will be Yasmin then. Come on. Huh? Okay. Ready, guys? We're going to read this together. Last night, I dreamt I could fly. It was an awesome dream. I was so disappointed when I woke up.
Yes, it's disappointing when you wake up from a good dream.
Katarina, let's go. Katarina.
Oh, Miss.
Let's go. It's your turn.
I dreamed about a monster.
Ah, this dream is so boring. I've heard it already.
Yasmin, I'm not bored. I'm interested. Were you frightened, Angel?
Oh, yes. The monster looked really scary, big and ugly. It was frightening.
Chris?
Oh, well, that's an interesting dream.
When I woke up, I was shouting, Mommy, Mommy, help!
Did your mom hear you?
No, she didn't. But Yasmin heard me. I was so embarrassed.
Yes, that's really embarrassing.
There you go. Okay, now we have 5 words using ed. What's the first word?
Embarrassed.
Nah, we're going to say this together. Ready? Listen to this one.
Embarrassed.
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 Check. Christopher, please say embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
Not embarrassed. Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
This is you. It's supposed to be embarrassed. But you say,
Embarrassed.
no, this is you. Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
Tuh kan? Embarrassed. Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
No way, not Barretts. Barrassed.
Embarrassed.
Barrassed.
Embarrassed.
Chris, rust.
Rust.
Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
There. Katarina, embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
The next one. After embarrassed, what's another word? This one. We'll go with this. How do we say this one?
Disappointed.
Very good, Chris.
Disappointed.
Katarina?
Disappointed.
One more time.
Disappointed.
Got it. Okay, so disappointed, embarrassed, done. How about this one? We're going to go with this one now.
Bored.
Nice. Katarina? Katarina?
Bored.
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 Well done.
Bored.
So not bored, bored.
Bored.
And we have this one.
Interested.
One first.
Frightened.
Almost.
Frightened.
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 Nice. Katarina?
Frightened.
Frightened. Frightened.
Frightened.
Frightened.
There you go. And the last one is, of course, this one.
Interested.
Interested.
Don't read the E in the middle. So not interest, interest.
Interest.
Interested. Interested.
Interested.
Interested.
Interested.
Interested.
Interested.
Katarina?
Interested.
Katarina?
Interested.
Interest.
Don't forget the it.
Interested.
Go on, Katarina. One more time.
Interested.
Interested.
There you go. Okay. So those are the two things. Now, let's check this one out. Please do activity 2. I'll give you 2 minutes to decide. Circle the correct word. Okay, now who wants to do odd numbers? Who wants to do even numbers? Katarina, Christopher, do you want to do odd numbers? Odd numbers means 1 and 3. Or do you want to do even numbers? 2 and 4.
Wait, please. Even numbers?
So Christopher is going to do even numbers. Katarina is going to do odd numbers. 3 and 5. Okay. Go on, Chris. Number 2.
Yasmin is bored because she has heard the dream before.
Got it. Yasmin is bored because she has heard the dream before. Katarina? Katarina, number 3.
The monster in Angelo's dream was frightening. The monster was frightening.
Frightening. There you go. Yo, guys, where are your circle? Christopher hasn't circled number 2. Katarina, please circle number 3. Now Christopher is going to do number 4. Go ahead, Chris, number 4.
Angelo's dreams was interesting.
Angelo's dream was interesting. Please circle. Ooh, Katarina is giving a heart. Number 5, Katarina.
Angelo was embarrassed because Yasmin hurt him.
One more time. Angelo was
embarrassed because Yasmin hurt him.
Wait, I'm confused. Which one is it? Please circle the correct word. Remember, it's not embarrassed, but embarrassed. One more time, Katarina. Angelo was embarrassed.
Angelo was embarrassed.
Yeah, embarrassed. Embarrassed.
Angelo was embarrassed because Yasmin hurt him.
Got it. Ooh, hang on. Well done. I need to charge my laptop. Wait a minute. Okay. Got it. Hey. Katarina, in case you don't know, next Wednesday, you're going to have your mid-semester test. Jadi hari Rabu besok, kalian akan melaksanakan mid-semester test. And after that, you're going to have your term break. Setelah itu kan libur term. As usual, please prepare a book, a notebook, or a paper, a pencil, and an eraser, because the mid-semester test is going to be written test. Now, for the mid-semester test, we are going to review all lessons. Okay. Now, everyone, please check chapter 1. The mid-semester test is going to be chapters 1 and 2. What did we learn in chapter 1?
Then and now.
Then and now. We talked about schools 100 years ago and schools now. Check. Let's check. Okay. Please take a look at your student book to page... Wait, hang on a second. Page 11, I think. Please open page 11, everyone. Oh, it's more than page 11, so sorry. This one. Page 18. Please open page 18 of your student book. Do you have the same page as mine on screen, Chris? Grammar
Yes,
Booster.
Miss.
Where's Katarina? Katarina is gone. Okay, so check this one out. For the Grammar Booster, we use simple past. Some regular, if you still remember, Chris, regular verbs ends with ed. Irregular verbs is without ed. Okay, let's check. Katarina is back. Okay, let's check. We have regular verbs. My mom, cat or cut? How should I call it? Cat.
Yes, Miss.
Cat meow.
Mhm.
Now, we have irregular verbs. For example, if we say the past tense of write, we don't say read it, but wrote. Okay. How about number 2? Who knows the answer? My mom? Easy peasy. Regular verbs. So my mom?
Brought.
Here, the word is here.
Oh, walk.
How do you spell that?
Walk.
Oh, please type it in the chat box. I don't want spelling. I just want the chat box typing. So go ahead, guys. Oh, Christopher is fast. Walked, indeed. Got it. Okay. How about number 3?
3. Leave.
Check this one out. Had to plus verb.
Leave it, Miss.
No way. Had to plus verb.
Had to leave.
Had to leave. Please type in the chat box. Who's the fastest one? Go. Oh, no
to
way,
leave.
Chris.
Had to leave.
Katarina got it right. I had to leave, not had to leave it. Okay. So it's 1-1. Katarina 1, Christopher 1. How about number? Oh, this is difficult. I don't know if you remember. Number 4. What?
Bring. Bro.
What? Oh, yo, Christopher is so fast. Big time. Yeah, that's the word. Brought. Brought indeed. Got it. So not bring it, but brought. Number 5 is easy. You just have to make it into negative. What is the answer for number 5?
Didn't it?
Doesn't.
Katarina got it right. How do you type it, Katarina? There you go. I like this. It means that Christopher 2, Katarina 2. Let's decide. Number 6. What's the answer for number 6?
Had to stay it.
No way.
Oh,
Wait, no. Number 6 is going to be very difficult. Had to stay? Nope. So sorry. This is a question. If you take a look at this, there's already did. So not had to stay.
Did to stay?
No way. Remember, when a verb already has did, it means that the verb goes back to verb 1. Kalau verb 2-nya udah ada tambahan did, berarti verbnya kembali ke verb 1. So,
Had to staying.
Verb 1 of had. Verb 1 of had. There you go. Go read it, Katarina. Did they?
did they have to stay in their classroom at lunch?
There you go. Did they have to stay in their classrooms at lunch? So far, Katarina got 3. Christopher got 2. Yo, check this one out. There are 3 pictures. Oh no. Okay. They are not from the period that we learn in lesson 1. This is not 100 years ago. This is from the 70s. So how many years ago then?
55.
55 years ago. So these are from 55 years ago. Okay. Because Katarina won, I'm going the first one. I'm going to ask Katarina to choose. Katarina, do you want to do even numbers or odd numbers?
Even?
Even? Check my screen. Even numbers are angka genap. Odd numbers angka ganjil. So, do you want to do even numbers or odd numbers? Katarina, odd numbers or even numbers?
Odd numbers, miss.
Odd numbers. It means that Christopher will get more numbers. 2, 4, 6, and 8.
3, 4, 6. Miss. 3.
Very nice.
5.
3, 5, and 7. 3. Please circle it on my screen.
Like this, Miss.
Hmm? Chris, you are even numbers.
Oh,
2, 4, 6, and 8.
oh.
Go ahead.
Okay, Miss.
What are you doing?
Uh,
Why is it so big?
no, Miss. With clear road.
Katarina? Oh, by the way, you don't have to wait for the others to complete. You can just do 2, 4, 6, and 8. Katarina will do 3, 5, and 7. Nggak perlu saling tunggu-tungguan.
3. Girl.
You need
Girl.
to circle. Hang on. Circle first on my screen, Katarina.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice one, Chris. Gone. Christopher, please read number 2, 4, 6, and 8. Chris, please read
Yes,
them.
Miss.
Please read them. Teachers.
Wait, Miss. Number 2. Teacher wrote on chalkboard with chalk.
Is it chalk or chalk?
Chalk.
L-nya jangan dibaca. And then?
Children misbehaved, had to stay inside at lunch time.
Thank you. Number 6.
Children studied languages.
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 Language.
Languages.
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 Just.
Just.
Languages.
Languages.
Now, wait. Jangan ditekan sangat itu justnya. Languages.
Languages.
There you go. So not language. Just. Language.
Math, social studies, art, science. In the 1970, children went outside from recess.
For recess. Got it. Katarina, your turn. 3, 5, and 7. Katarina, girls.
Girls wore jeans, shorts, or skirts to school. 5. Boys and girls didn't have to sit separately.
Separately.
7. There weren't any computers. They had to use dictionaries and encyclopedia.
Encyclopedias. Got it. There you go. They had to use dictionaries and encyclopedias. I hope you remember these when you do the mid-semester test. Past tense. Okay. Used to. What does it mean by used to? If you still remember, what does it mean by used to? Here, take a look at the example. I used to drink milk every morning when I was young. Used to,
Used to plus
kebiasaan.
verb.
Used to itu kebiasaan yang sekarang tidak lagi dikerjakan. So, for example, I used to drink milk every morning when I was young. Aku dulu biasa minum susu setiap pagi ketika masih kecil, ketika masih muda. Does the person still drink milk every morning now?
No.
No, that's why. Tapi sesekali kadang mungkin dia minum susu. So, I drank milk yesterday. But used to is specific. Used to itu kebiasaan yang dilakukan di masa lalu. Okay? Now, let's try. Chris, Katarina, what games did you used to play when you were in kindergarten?
Doesn't miss.
Hah? Gak ada mainan sama sekali ketika TK.
Ketika TK. Hide and seek.
Go. I biasa bermain.
used to play
Mhm.
hide and seek
When I was
in kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
In kindergarten.
There you go. I used to play hide and seek when I was in kindergarten. Dulu saat masih TK, aku suka bermain petak umpet. How about you, Katarina? What games did you used to play?
Slide. Rosotan, Miss.
So I used to play on slides.
I used to play on slide when I was
In?
Huh?
When I was in
playground.
playground or kindergarten?
Kindergarten. Kindergarten.
TK. Playground. TK. Okay, there you go. So I used to play. Now let's try and do this. We have two numbers for negatives. Let's try with negative. Christopher is going to choose this time. Chris, do you want to do number 2 or number 6?
Number 6.
6. Katarina will do number 2 then. What's the answer for number 6, Chris?
No, they didn't.
No, they didn't. Well done. Okay. Christopher's like. Katarina, you do have this in your student book, right? Page 19. Sama nggak bukunya? Christopher ada bagian ini. Halaman 19.
Yes, Miss.
How about you, Katarina? Do you have it too in your student book?
Page apa, Miss?
19.
Hah?
Aha. 19.
No.
You don't have this part in your student book?
No, Miss.
Can I see your student book, please? So what's in your student book for page 19, Katarina?
It's like Karate Kid, Miss.
Oh, I see. So Katarina still has the previous book. This one, page 19. You can?
Yes, Miss.
Got it. It's okay. You can still see my screen. So Katarina, number 2, they.
So, they used to play. Eh, they they apa ya? Superlatifnya. They used to play video games.
Mereka tidak biasa bermain video games.
Oh, they didn't used to play video games.
Yo, Katarina, your voice is on and off. One more time. They didn't.
They didn't used to play video games.
Use with ed or no d?
Ed,
Like this. They didn't used to play video games. Or number 2. They didn't used to play video games. Which one?
used, used.
Yeah, Katarina lupa. Whenever you already have did, it means that the verb goes back to verb
Verb one.
1. So it should be A or
Didn't
B.
use
A or B.
be, Miss.
B. There you go. They didn't used to play video game. A. Oh, only hang on. But they should use this. Huh. Hey. Got it. Now, this is negative. They didn't used to play video game. The question should be, oh no, we'll do number 4 together. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. What is number 4? Let's do this together.
They to read a fact in
They read facts in encyclopedia.
Wait, Chris, they read or they used to read?
They used to read facts in encyclopedia.
There, they used to read facts in encyclopedia.
Oh no. Wait, Miss.
They
My battery is low, Miss.
They used to read facts in encyclopedia. Miss, kalau di pertanyaan kapan pakai use, kapan nggak pakai use, tergantung pertanyaannya. Kalau disuruh pakai use, ya pakai use. Yang ini pakai use, ya kita pakai use. Okay? Unless you know that person habits. Kecuali kalian tahu kebiasaan orang tersebut di masa lalu. Okay? Kalau nggak tahu, ya lihat pertanyaannya. Disuruh pakai used to atau enggak. Now, the next part is the question. This is a little bit tricky. Katarina, you get to choose. Do you want to do number 3 or number 5? So,
My
kata
charger.
3 or 5?
Three, Miss.
Number 3. Chris, it means that you are going to do number 5.
Number 5.
Remember, this is a question. Di mana mereka biasa membaca fakta?
Wait, Miss.
Mhm.
My battery is very low, bed.
Where, where? Hah? Yang tengah ini apa?
Nah, kalau pertanyaan berarti kayak yang tadi. Mesti
Where
dipikir.
where
Look at the example, Katarina.
where did they read fact
Almost. You need to use this, remember?
used to read fact?
Use with ed or no ed?
No, Miss.
No, karena di sini udah ada did-nya. Got it. So, where did they used to read facts? Well done. Mhm. Where did they used to read facts? They used to read. Chris, ready for number 5?
Number 5. Did they used to have TVs?
Nice. Did they used to have TVs? Very good. So, did they used to have TVs? So, hey, I hope I can make it work. Ah, yo. Ah, did they used to have TVs?
What, Miss?
Used to have. Did they used to have TVs, right?
Right.
Right. I'm just repeating your words. Katarina, if you want to take a screenshot, you may, because you don't have this page on your student book, screenshot aja. Jadi kalau mau belajar gampang. Chris, have you finished writing everything in your student book?
Lesson, Miss. Number 4.
Number 4, go ahead. Oh, this is so me. I used to make phone calls, now I make video calls. Because back in the days, phone calls are expensive. Zaman dulu yang namanya telepon itu aja udah mahal. Not to mention video calls. Apalagi video calls. Mahal banget. But nowadays, everything is free.
Finish, Miss.
Done. Okay. So that's chapter 3. Chapter 1. How about chapter 2? What did we learn in chapter 2?
Chapter 2.
Hmm.
Wait, Miss. Work hard, play hard.
Work hard, play hard. And the grammar, what did we learn for the grammar?
Grammar.
Present perfect.
Present perfect for and signs.
Present perfect. Wait, hang on a second. You just had this for chapter 2 tests. I hope you still remember. Let's try. This is what you need to do to leave Zoom. I'm going to choose Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch tiger by the toe. Christopher, you need to do number 2. Katarina, Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch tiger by the toe. You need to do
I lived.
Wait, hang on. Katarina needs to do number 6.
Number 2.
I
lived here for 3 years.
No way. One more time. Please type it in the chat box, Chris. Ketik aja di chat box. Katarina, you too.
Miss.
Please type number 6 in the chat box.
Number 6.
Katarina, you're number 2, Chris.
She
Please type it in the chat box, Katarina.
Aduh, banyak.
No way, Chris. That's not the answer. So sorry. Remember, present perfect means we need to use this or this. Take a look at my screen, Chris.
I see.
So,
Wait, Miss. Ada kelupaan. Nah, finish this.
Okay, I'll take that. Although I've lived her. No way, Chris. What do you mean I've lived her?
Hah? Oh iya.
I've lived here or her. Beda lo artinya lo. I've lived here and I've lived her.
CTRLV. Nah. Here.
Sorry, Katarina. I've lived here for 3 years. Got it, Christopher. You may leave the Zoom room.
Thank you, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Good luck with your test on Wednesday, okay? Katarina, that has did.
Thank you, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye. Verb 3, not did. What is the verb 3 of do?
Doing. Do.
Nope.
Did.
No. Did verb 2. Ini verb 3. Done.
Oh iya, done.
So go ahead. Please fix your sentence. She has done karate. Wait, since she was home? Where's she was home? Since she was a child, that's the sentence. There you go. Thank you, Katarina. Okay, good luck with your test on Wednesday, okay? Katarina, please don't come late. Nanti kalau terlambat, nggak tahu. Kan proktornya bukan Miss Teti, pengujinya bukan Miss Teti. Jadi, ya kalau dikasih ulang soalnya masih mending. Kalau enggak, terpaksa skip. Okay, so don't be late next session. Okay, Katarina? Come on time. Okay, bye-bye. Good
Bye,
night.
me. Thank you.
Welcome.